In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail in Microsoft Outlook step by step so you can read, send, and manage your Gmail messages right inside Outlook. This is a great setup if you want to keep all your email in one place, stay organized, and make your workflow a lot faster. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com and signing into the account you want to add to Outlook. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page. Now, across the top of the settings screen, find the tab called Forwarding and POP/IMAP and click it. This is where Gmail lets you control how other email apps access your mailbox. On this page, scroll down to the IMAP access section. You'll see an option that says Enable IMAP. Select that option so Outlook can sync with your Gmail account properly. IMAP is important because it lets Outlook keep your messages updated across devices instead of downloading them just one time. After enabling IMAP, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is essential because the setting will not apply unless you save it. Once that's done, Gmail is ready to connect to Microsoft Outlook. Next, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If this is your first time opening it, you may see a welcome screen. If you already use Outlook, just go to the File menu in the top left corner, then click Add Account. This is the option that starts the email setup process. Now type in your full Gmail address and click Connect. Outlook will begin the account setup process and may ask for your Gmail password next. Enter your Gmail password carefully and click Connect again. Depending on your account security settings, Google may ask you to verify your identity or approve the sign-in. If that happens, follow the prompts on screen and complete any verification steps. Once authentication is complete, Outlook will take a few moments to finish setting up your Gmail account. During this time, Outlook is syncing your inbox, folders, and email settings. Be patient here and let the process complete fully. When the setup is finished, Outlook will show a confirmation message. Finally, click Done to finish. Your Gmail account should now be connected to Microsoft Outlook, and you can start managing your email from one place. You'll be able to send and receive Gmail messages directly in Outlook, which makes email handling much easier if you use Outlook as your main app. And that's it. You've successfully set up Gmail in Microsoft Outlook. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.